welcome to all in this class. Today I will teach you about animal cells, animal tissues. Animal tissues. The group of similar cells called tissues. Animal tissues are classified as epithelial tissues, muscular tissue, connective tissue, and nervous tissue. Four type of tissues. These tissues are further classified. First of all, we know about epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. This is the simplest tissue. It protects the animal body. The cells of this tissue are tightly packed, closely packed, and it forms a continuous sheet. It covers most organs and cavities within the body. Example, the skin and lining of buccal cavity, mouth cavity, blood vessels, alveoli found in lungs, and kidney tubules are made of epithelial tissue. Function of epithelial tissue. First, the epithelial tissue protect the underlying cell from drying, सूखने से, injury and chemical effect. Second, the epithelial tissue protect the body from viral and bacterial infection. Third function, epithelial tissue help in absorption of water and nutrients. Epithelial tissue help in elimination of waste product. Elimination of waste product. Some epithelial tissues perform secretory function. They secrete variety of substances such as sweat, saliva. Types of epithelial. On the basis of the shape and function of cells, the epithelial tissues are classified as follows: squamous epithelial tissue, cuboidal epithelial tissue, columnar epithelial tissue, glandular epithelial tissue, and ciliated epithelial tissue. Now we know about it one by one. First of all, we know about the squamous epithelial tissue. Now we know about different type of epithelial tissues. First, squamous epithelial tissue. It is made up of thin, flat, irregular shaped cells which fit together like floor tiles to perform a compact tissue. Fit together tightly to compact tissue, form a compact tissue. Occurrence It forms the delicate lining of cavities as mouth cavities, nose, pericardium, membrane of heart. Function. It protects the underlying part of body from mechanical injury, entry of germs, chemical and drying. Squamous epithelial tissues, tightly packed, nucleus, chloroplast, cementing substance through tightly packed. Second, cuboidal epithelial tissue. It consists of tube-like cells, which square in section but free surface appear hexagonal. Occurrence. It is found in kidney tubules, thyroid vessels, and glands. It forms germinal epithelium of gonad. Gonad means reproductive organs, as testes, ovaries. Function. It helps in absorption, excretion, and secretion. It also provides mechanical support. This is cuboidal epithelium, nucleus, cytoplasm, cement substance. Third, columnar epithelium or columnar epithelial tissue. It consists of cells which columnar tissue, columnar epithelial tissue. It consists of cells which are taller than broad, pillar-like. This type of columnar epithelial tissue, pillar-like. The nucleus are towards the base. Nucleus toward the base. This is nucleus, cytoplasm, columnar cells, or basement materials. Occurrence. It forms lining of stomach, a small intestine, and forming mucous membrane. It also forms lining of gallbladder and oviduct, tube of ovary. Function. Its main function are absorption and secretion. Function of columnar epithelial tissue. Main function are absorption and secretion. Now we know fourth and fifth type of epithelium tissue. Now we know about fourth type of epithelium tissue, glandular epithelium tissue. The columnar epithelium tissue is modified into glandular epithelium to form glands. मेन रूप से columnar epithelium ही कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, मॉडिफाइड हो जाता है ग्लैंड में, जिसे हम ग्लैंडुलर epithelium tissue कहते हैं. Occurrence. It is found in glands. Example, found in stomach, gallbladder. Function. Its main function is secretion of chemical. Now we know about ciliated epithelium tissues. ciliated epithelium tissues with cilia. Certain cuboidal cells have a free growth which bears thread-like cytoplasmic outgrowth. साइटोप्लाज्म से ही आउटग्रोथ निकलता है, हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड cilia. Such cells form the ciliated epithelium. Occurrence ciliated cuboidal epithelium is found in sperm duct, windpipe, lungs, kidney tubules, and orbita. Function: the rhythmic लयबद्ध तरीके से rhythmic contracted beating of the cilia move solid particles in one direction through the duct. Duct जैसे ओविडक्ट, स्पर्म डक्ट. डक्ट में जब सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स को मूव करना है तो सीलिया के मूवमेंट के द्वारा वो मूव करना है. इसलिए इसका मेन फंक्शन हो गया रिदमिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बीटिंग ऑफ द सीलिया मूव सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स इन वन डायरेक्शन थ्रू द डक्ट. केवल एक ही डायरेक्शन में मूव कर पाएगा ड्यू टू सीलिया. इस तरह से एपिथेलियम टिश्यूज का 5 टाइप्स यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. अगले दिन नेक्स्ट टिश्यूज. हेलो.